Should we begin, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are on the last part, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, page number
46.
46. Okay, so now the man escaped, right? Good morning, Radhika. So now the man, he escaped, and after 1 week, Sadao, he feels that now even the condition of the general, it was quite well, and the topic of man escaping could be discussed with him, okay? But he did not tell the truth that he had let the man run away, okay? He did all the arrangements and all. He only said that the man had escaped, okay? And then he just coughed a little bit. Coughing means that indicates that he was not telling anything. Okay, that means everything he was not telling. Who is this HP? Who is this HP?
It's me, ma'am, Akshat Jain.
Who?
Ma'am, Akshat Jain. Sorry, ma'am, I
Why
don't
HP
rename my
is
name.
there? Type your name, Akshat Jain.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I connect with my laptop. So sorry.
So he just tells him that the man, he escaped, and he did not tell him everything. Okay, why? Because he did not want to disturb him. Then this general, he was reminded of his promise to send the professional killers. And when he heard about the American man, he just opened his eyes and he says that yes, he had promised, but as he was in lot of pain, so he became somewhat selfish maybe, and he did not remember his promise. Okay, fine, but up till here we had done.
Yes, ma'am.
From where you did, Excellency, Sadao said. When he tries to confirm that, did I not promise you to send the assassins? Okay, from the very first line, page number 46,
Ma'am,
very first. हाँ
Ma'am,
बेटा,
from it was certainly very careless
okay,
of
but I'll
me.
do from the beginning only, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You did, Excellency, Sadao said. Well, the old man said in a tone of amazement. So I did, but you see, I was suffering a good deal. The truth is, I thought of nothing but myself. In short, I forgot my promise to you. Now, of course, Sadao, he confirms, he says that, yes, you had promised, okay, to send the assassins, but the general, he was very much surprised and said that as he had been suffering, okay, due to his bad health and a lot of pain he was suffering from, so he had forgotten all about his promise. Now, I wondered, Your Excellency, Sadao murmured, it was certainly, from here, now you can put the date. Now, Sadao, he says, I wondered, Your Excellency, means Sadao, he was somewhat surprised. He says, of course, even I was wondering, I was surprised that you forgot your promise. And then it was certainly very careless of me, the general said. Now, general, he's feeling guilty of not fulfilling his promise, okay? So he says, it was certainly very careless of me, the general said. But you understand, it was not lack of patriotism or dereliction of duty. Okay, dereliction is failure, disobedience or failure to perform the duties. And he looked anxiously at his doctor. If the matter should come out, you would understand that, wouldn't you? Now the general, he felt very much sorry. He was very much guilty that he had been somewhat careless. Why? Because he did not fulfill his promise. And then he just tries to better clarify himself कि ऐसा नहीं है कि he lacks patriotism or he does not have any kind of love for his country. Of course he loves his country. और ऐसा भी नहीं है that he is just running away from his duties. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Okay, it was all because of his bad health, of his critical conditions. And he just looks at Dr. Sadao with curiosity. Why? Because he just wanted that Sadao should support him and wanted that he should understand his problem. समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If the matter should come out, you would understand that, wouldn't you? Okay, मतलब यदि ये सब तुम्हारे साथ हो तो surely you would understand why I failed to fulfill the promise. Certainly, Your Excellency, Sadao said. He suddenly comprehended that the general was in palm of his hand and that as a consequence, he himself was perfectly safe. Okay. Now, certainly, surely, Your Excellence, सदाव जवाब देता है और suddenly वो comprehend, वो समझ जाता है कि जो general है, he was in the palm of his hands, मतलब he was now in his control. Okay, उसकी मुट्ठी में है, he was in his control, general. Or that as a consequence yani general was in his control. Why general? He felt very much guilty for not fulfilling the promise, and instead what is he doing? He's asking sorry. Okay, he's repenting that he did not fulfill his promise, so he's asking, he just wants to regret for it. Okay, and again he's asking sorry from Dr. Sadao, right? तो वो समझ जाता है कि ये तो मेरी मुट्ठी में है, ही इज अंडर माय कंट्रोल, और ये वो अंडरस्टैंड कर लेता है कि ही हिमसेल्फ इज सेफ नाउ. ओके, आई कैन स्वेयर टू योर लॉयल्टी एक्सीलेंसी. और फिर सदाव कहता है, ऑफ कोर्स आई कैन स्वेयर दैट यू आर वेरी लॉयल, यू आर वेरी ऑनेस्ट, यू आर वेरी ड्यूटीफुल. Okay, Your Excellence, he said to the old general, and to your zeal against the enemy. Zeal is enthusiasm. Okay, enthusiasm, and the enthusiasm that you had against the enemy. तो कहता है उसके लिए तो मैं कसम खा सकता हूँ कि वास्तव में आप बहुत लॉयल हो, आपके अंदर बड़ा enthusiasm है. Okay, against the enemy. Clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now you are a good man, the general murmured and closed his eyes. You will be rewarded. Now see, he had so much of faith, trust on Dr. Sadao. Just now also he is not suspecting him at all. Okay, rather he believed whatever Dr. Sadao said. So Dr. Sadao ne kya bola? The man escaped, means he ran away on his own. There was no role of Dr. Sadao, okay, in making him run away, in making him escape from there. Okay, तो उसने बेचारा जनरल इतना ट्रस्ट करता था कि उसने बिलीव कर दिया, एंड डॉक्टर सदाव he did nothing wrong, right? क्योंकि इतनी ह्यूमन काइंडनेस, फीलिंग्स और इमोशंस उनके अंदर थे कि उनको मालूम था कि इफ दिस प्रिजनर ही would be handed over to the police, surely इतना टॉर्चर करा जाएगा इसको कि ये मर जाएगा. और फिर इतना मेहनत करके, इतना वो करके, he had operated on him successfully, so how can he let a man die who he had saved, जिसको सेव करा है, how can he let the man die? Okay, even Dr. Sadao was very much right, he was very much correct, and he was not dishonest or something like that. Okay, he only saved a life of a human being. और अब जब देखते हैं कि जनरल भी इतना ट्रस्ट कर रहा है और फिर कहते हैं कि यू आर अ गुड मैन, जनरल कहता है एंड यू विल बी रिवॉर्डेड. But Sadao, searching the spot of black in the dew-lighted sea that night, had his reward. There was no prick of light in the dusk. Okay, dew-lighted क्या होता है? The time of sunset, you can write down. Sunset या sunrise जब होता है ना, थोड़ी बहुत रोशनी और अंधेरा. Dew-light is sunrise or sunset. There was no prick of light. Prick, you got it? Not even a ray, a dot of light could be seen in the dusk. Dusk time is what? Late evening, and dawn is what? Bit early evening, early morning. No one was on the island. His prisoner was gone, saved, doubtless, for he had warned him to wait only for a Korean fishing boat. समझ गए? Dusk, समझ गए? The time of sunset. Okay, a little bit darker it becomes. हल्का हल्का सा अंधेरा होने लगता है ना, इतनी तेज रोशनी. और dawn होता है जब sunrise होने वाला होता है, right? The general was relaxed and said that Sadao, he was a very good man, and he said that soon he would be rewarded. Okay. Now, but Dr. Sadao, he says that he got his reward. Why? When at dusk time, when late in the evening, he looked towards the island, and he found that there wasn't a prick of light. Okay, means there wasn't any light that came from the torch. Okay, iska kya matlab hua? The American, he had gone and he had found a Korean fishing boat. Okay, और वो उसमें बैठ गया and safely he returned back home. और सदाव ने डाउट भी नहीं करा हुआ है because he had already instructed the man, okay, only to wait for the Korean fishing boats. और किसी का वेट नहीं करना था. Strict instructions दिए थे that you just wait for the Korean fishing boats. As the Korean fishing boats they come, sit in it and just move away. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now he stood for a moment on the veranda, gazing out to the sea for whence the man had come that other night. Up now everything is over. Again he was standing on the veranda and he was looking towards the sea from where the man he had come out. And into his mind, although without reason, then came other white faces he had known. और फिर बिना किसी कारण के the writer says that उसके एकदम दिमाग में सारे अमेरिकन फेसेस वो आते हैं. The professor at whose house he had met Hannah, a dull man, and his wife had been a silly talkative woman in spite of a wish to be kind. Okay, and then he remembers that the dull professor at whose house he had met Hannah, and then remembers his silly, very talkative wife who tried to be very kind with these students. And then he remembered his old teacher of anatomy who had been so insistent on mercy with knife. And then he remembered the face of his fat and slantly landlady. और फिर उसके बाद वो रिमेम्बर करता है अपने एनाटॉमी के प्रोफेसर को. एनाटॉमी के प्रोफेसर, डू यू रिमेम्बर व्हाट ही यूज्ड टू से? इग्नोरेंस ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी इज अ कार्डिनल सिन. ध्यान है? इन एवरी क्लास ही यूज्ड टू थंडर, हाँ, कि इफ यू आर इग्नोरेंट, right, if you do not have knowledge, without knowledge, lack of knowledge, if you are having and you are operating a person, it means you are killing the person, you are murdering him. तो वो एनाटॉमी के प्रोफेसर जो थे उसको याद आते हैं, राइट. उसके बाद उसको उसको याद आते हैं the face of his fat and slantly means very dirty or untidy सी जो थी ना लैंडलेडी, वो याद आती है. Then he had great difficulty in finding a place to live in America because he was a Japanese. फिर उसको ध्यान आता है कि there were a lot of problems in finding rooms. Why? Because he was a Japanese. So Americans hardly give any rooms to the Japanese students. The Americans were full of prejudice and it had been bitter to live in it. Okay. And the Americans, they are full of prejudice. Prejudice क्या होता है बेटा? When you develop a pre-opinion, okay, for somebody, पहले से ही कोई opinion, कोई धारणा हो, है ना, आप develop कर लेते हैं ना for anyone, that is prejudice. तो उन लोगों ने भी जापानीज के लिए काफी prejudices यानी wrong notions, ideas दिमाग में भरे हुए थे, and that was the main reason the Japanese students, they found very difficult, okay, to find a living place for them. And how he had despised का मतलब होता है hated, the ignorant and dirty old woman who at last consented to house him in a miserable home. और किस तरह से, हालांकि उसको बड़ी नफरत हुई थी, लेकिन तब भी उस ignorant और dirty landlady ने उसको permission दे दी थी to live in her own house. Okay, though the house, it was not good, it was miserable, means it was in a very poor condition, but still Dr. Sadao, he did not have any other option. And then he had once tried to be grateful to her because she had in his last years nursed him through influenza. और एक समय आया that Dr. Sadao was very grateful to this landlady. Why? Because once when Dr. Sadao, he had influenza, उसको हुआ था, तो इन्फ्लुएंजा समझते हो ना, वायरल इन्फेक्शन वगैरह जो हो जाता है, फीवर वगैरह, तो उसमें उसने काफी उसकी सेवा करी थी. ओके, उसको काफी नर्स करा था, ठीक है, she took care of him. But it was difficult, for she was no less repulsive और बड़ा मुश्किल था उसको डाइजेस्ट करना, लेकिन वो काफी रिपल्सिव थी, मतलब नो लेस रिपल्सिव मीन्स शी वाज नो लेस टेरेबल वुमन शी वाज, and even in her kindness. And now he remembered the youthful haggard. Haggard बोला जाता है जो बड़ा exhausted दिखता है ना, write down, very looking very exhausted. Exhausted means very tired and unwell. You know, when you look at the face of somebody, na, you can find out whether the person is haggard or not, means not well. Okay, so haggard का meaning आप लिख सकते हो exhausted. Okay, looking exhausted or looking unwell. और फिर उसको ध्यान आता है haggard face of his prisoner, white and repulsive. Okay, and finally he remembers the haggard face of this American prisoner who was white in color and was really very terrible. And strange, he thought, I wonder why I could not kill him. And Sadao, you know, he feels that it is so strange, you know, that I could not kill my enemy. I don't know why this happened to me, that I did not kill him, why I failed to kill him. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The
Yes,
chapter.
ma'am.
Is it very clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now, again, the re-exams are there of the students who failed to appear in the quarterlies. Any one of you who is going to reappear? Anyone? आप में से कोई reappear होगा?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Good, fine, better. Everybody appeared na in the beginning. First attempt everybody had given na.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Chalo. Enough for today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am.
God
Thank
bless
you,
you.
ma'am.
God bless you.